It's not alive, is it?
It's dead. Aw. I mean, aw, you wouldn't have cared. Oh,
Challenge your head.
I know. Look at that one,
My head?
though. I like the
Yes.
corner one right here. Yeah? Yeah.
That's cute.
I like that one. I like the zoo one. Mom likes more mom.
I wonder how well they like their life over here. Yeah, I have to go this way.
Ew.
Looks like this is the only way we could get through. Yeah. Looks like it's the only way we could get through. I think. That's it. It's not. I don't know how easy it's gonna be. Yeah, I don't know. So I think we have to take off the shoes because we might lose them. We're gonna lose them. No! That's it, man. It is pretty scary. If we're not careful. It's kind of scary over here, man. We gotta hurry up before the wave comes. It's actually scary going through here, man. It's scary going through here, man. Someone lost their shoes.
I don't realize how difficult I don't think they realize how difficult it is to
Someone
get
lost
back.
their shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was funny.
It's gonna be so difficult.
Well, you know, it'd be kind of hard to claim them to get them if you lose your shoes here.
Let's try to like grab onto them and like go up. Oh my god.
Let's go look for that place I'm talking about. It's all right there, over there, where the building is at. I know they have one. I remember.
I was really trying to get out of the No, me too.
Yeah. I heard.
What are you talking about shower?
Yeah, it's over there. gotta follow me.
Oh, that.
Look at. Is that a lot of sand or a little? The boat's not ready. Huh? Right here. Oh. Huh? Yeah, right there. I know there's more. There's a more over there, I believe. I mean, I believe they're in there too. I mean, yeah, where the building is at.
Should we go there or this one?
You can try to go to this building.
Okay.
And they have a little eatery there too. I mean,
Or should we go to the... Mom, should we go to a restaurant?
just go to that. You can wash yourself off here if you want.
Let's go to a restaurant. I don't want to keep
I'm gonna wash off my feet.
Ew. And look at my butt!
Go ahead. What? What?
Look at the Honda Odyssey right there.
Huh?
Honda Odyssey.
Hyundai.
I like the color.
Hyundai. Huh. So what?
I'm just gonna wait for them. Are you gonna wash your
Hey, your hair is like full of sand, yeah?
Me? Yeah.
You.
Where? You? Everywhere, Clarissa.
It's on the back.